Hi, hello everybody. Hi, how are you? Here we are again. This is um, ¿Dónde está el texto? Okay.
No.
Right. Hi everybody, how are you? Um, Welcome to our new webinar. Um, Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so we're gonna talk about our new filaments. It's our PTG Innovatefil PTG with carbon fiber. So again, welcome to be here with us. So I'm going to introduce ourselves. This is my colleague Baltasar. He's in our technical department, so he's going to be giving us, like a lot of recommendations about this material, how to print it, how to process it, and all everything you need to know how to print the material. And I am Esther Perez. I am, like one sales account manager here at Smart Materials 3D. We have been, like preparing this for you today. So first of all, I want to talk about, like what makes this filament so special. Like the thermal properties basically is one of the highlights of the Innovatefil PTG carbon fiber. Like it's optimized to provide superior thermal stability, meaning your prints will be more heat resistance and maintain their shape even in demanding environments, which I believe it's definitely it's the highlight of this product. What makes this filament, that was what made the filament special. Also, it has enhanced layer adhesion, which means that the layer adhesion of the Innovate PTG carbon fiber is significantly better than the finer PTG or regular PTG. So here is a piece where you can see how great this layer adhesion is. Check it out, this is because of the carbon as when we add the carbon fiber, it makes the layer adhesion much better. So this means that your piece is going to be more resistant than a regular than a piece printed with regular PTG. Like it's also going to have like an astounding mechanical strength. Also, I want to talk about the filler content of this filament. Like it contains around 15% of carbon fiber, which increase both its strength and rigidity. Even compared to PET carbon fiber, this filament stands out for its like ease of printing with a lower printing temperature of 230 degrees to 250 degrees. But in Bamboo Lab, you have to print it in higher temperature. But my colleague Baltasar is gonna, let you know about this, just a little bit more details about the printing. You can achieve, like exceptional results without compromising the materials. Like in the materials integrity to your printer. Another key aspect of the surface is the surface finish. Like prints with Innovatefil PTG has like an impressive surface finish. It's quite smooth and detailed, as you can see in the piece here. It's ideal for applications that demand excellent aesthetics and functionality. So we have worked hard to develop a material that is not only easy to print, but also offers superior mechanical and thermal resistance. Like so, if you're looking for a material with all of these, characteristics, Innovatefil PTG carbon fiber would be your solution. So, like because it combines the best of both worlds, like the PTG and the enhanced properties of the carbon fiber. So now my colleague Baltasar is going to talk about, like printing, how to print the material and the best recommendations to work with it. So,
Well, regarding printing parameters, we recommend using a hardened steel nozzle of 0.6 millimeters due to high carbon fiber content. With this nozzle, you will achieve parts with very good surface quality and the assurance of block-free prints. As for the rest of the printing parameters, it could print the same as regular PTG. The printing temperature should be between 2030 and 2055 degrees Celsius, sorry. For bamboo lab printers or other high speed printers, these temperatures should be increased by about 10 or 15 degrees.
okay. Thank you so much, Baltasar. Do you have any other recommendations for our listeners?
No, that
No.
would be the same as PTG, as regular PTG.
Regular PTG is, yeah, it's basically, like it's, if you normally print with regular PTG, then it will be very easy for you to work with this material. Just the difference is that we added carbon fiber to enhance the properties. Also, it's important to let you know that our spools work perfectly in the MES for the any MES, any printer, and especially for the bamboo lab printer. So I think that's very important that you know about that. Also, we want to talk about the application sectors for this filament, just in case you're wondering where it can be used. So, it's ideal parts in this field because the parts in the automotive field or must withstand constant mechanical stress and high temperatures. And also for maybe aerospace, it is excellent for components require high strength to weight ratios and mechanical stability. And maybe also in consumer electronics, because it is ideal for robust and durable and lightweight housings and structural components with a great the aesthetic finish. Also, just to close this little chat, we would like to talk about the formats that we have this filament. It will come in our it comes in our Innovate box that I guess and this is our regular box, quite strong. And then we have it in spools, thank you, 750 grams with a polycarbonate spool. So to make sure that it comes to you in the best format possible. And we also make a spools of 3.3 kilos if you need to print big pieces or if you have an industrial printer. And also we have it because, as you know now, Smart Materials also working in we're doing our own pellets and we have our own compounding lines. So we also have it in a pellet format for robotic arms or for machines, big pellet machines, or even a small pellet machines. We can also provide these, we provide it in pellet sizes for you, just in case you need it. Just we would like to emphasize that we make our own compounding and we develop our own materials now. So it's important, since we are experts in 3D printing, that we do the best compounding to do the best filament, and also for the 3D printing for the big machines like robotic arms, we know how to make the best compounding for that. So now, well, I think this is it for now. So if you have any questions, let's have a look at the chat. So we will be answering that. Sorry, I'm just getting close because I don't see very well. Yeah, Patrick Driver, it says it works in the bamboo lab. Yes, it does. Our spools are or suitable for bamboo lab, and all you have to do is just print with 10 degrees, like the temperature has to be a bit higher, just because the bamboo lab is a speed printer. Also, we have another questions for Patrick Driver. What about AMS? Well, the same, it fits perfectly on the AMS, so it shouldn't be any problem at all. Actually, we test our filaments here in our, in our bamboo lab printer as well. Did you know if the pellets, do you have it for pellets in robotic arms? Yeah, we do have it in, as I said to you, we actually, all our products, you can get them now in pellets, as we have our new brand, Pellet Smart. So you can get pellets of course, PTG and carbon fiber, and any of the products that we have, you can buy them in pellets. Another questions, well, this is thanks to you, Patrick. We can buy the pellets in your web. Well, actually, for buying pellets, the best is that you contact our, our email, via email. So, because we can also make like tailor made products for the industrial sector. So if you need pellets and you would like to request pellets, all you have to just write to our main email, which is info@smartmaterials3d.com. Our sales department, someone from our sales department will contact you to see what you need regarding pellets. So if you have any other questions, thanks to you also. Well, any other questions there? Okay, so, well, I think we're going to close now. If you want to see the webinar later on, it's being recorded for you. And of course, if you have any more questions, we are available for your doubts or your queries, and we will be very happy to assist you. So thank you so much for being with us today, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care all. Thank you. Bye-bye.